I think you're wired just fine, babe. But your mind works in a different way.
Hi there, sugars. Welcome back to my channel. I have something crazy to share with y'all today. Okay, so I'm showcasing this video that I got from UNice. I am really sorry. The box was pretty, y'all. It really was. And you know another thing I like about this box? It's got like an accordion style. Like when you open it, it like expands. And it was beautiful. I'm really sorry. But the wig inside was okay and everything that came in it. So let's get into it. So I have the wig and she's in the satin bag, all safe and secure. And there's all these goodies that came with the wig. Okay. These are Post-it notes. They're not oil blotters. I thought they were oil blotters. So I just blotted my face with Post-it notes. Post-it notes. There's a little infographic in here that tells you all about UNice's Air wigs and how breathable the cap is and comfortable. I got some wig caps, melting band, but you know what? We're not gonna use that today because I'm gonna tell you, you just gotta wait, hold on. Some lashes, and I'm wearing these lashes, and these, you can purchase them from the website. They're very glamorous. And one of these like little fluffy makeup brushes that you could just throw in your purse, but I use them for things completely different. Like I do my own nails, and I had to use my electronic nail file to get the right shape, and I was just using this, and it came in clutch. Very handy, okay? So if you're crafty, having a couple of these around your house is a bonus. So let's get into this wig. I got my homegirl here. I just realized she got ear holes. You could have been stunting this whole time. I learn more about you every day. Let's get her some earrings first. Oh my gosh. I did not know you had earring holes. I feel like a bad friend. So anyway, we know why she's here. Let's get to it. So this is the hair out of the bag. She's body wave. Look. 5x5. But look at this. Look at the size for a grippy grip. Nice. No sliding off your hair, girl. Got 2 temple combs, a nape comb, and more of this silicone lining for not to fall off your head. That's great because every time I put a wig on Shaquafala, behind the scenes it falls right off because she knows she got a smooth. She working with the fade right here. So the big deal about this unit, which is brand new, is that it's a wear and go. That means it's glueless, and you don't need any spray or adhesive or lace putty or anything. You just put it on your head and walk out the door. Child, that's what they said, honey. The wig has been pre-bleached. It said pre-cut. It's literally supposed to be a 30-second install, so this might be the shortest video I've ever done. No glue, no adhesive, no cutting, nothing. Not even styling, because it's already styled. I mean, unless you want a different style, and you can add a little curl here, a little crimp there, but it's supposed to be boom, bada bing, seriously wear and go like one of these synthetic bad boys. I'm telling you, the companies are listening. They're hearing us. They're paying attention. Because all up and down my timeline, all I would see, maybe because I was looking for it, because I like half wigs. But the allure of synthetic wigs is you don't have to do anything to it. You put it on, you walk out the door. Nobody has 15-20 minutes to be gluing, laying lace, and doing the baby. Y'all see my struggle baby hair? You've seen it. And that's with practice, okay? Now, I've seen struggle baby hairs in real life. I just want to look at people and be like, you tried this one. What'd you use? Because when I try, but you can't do that. You can't just walk up to strangers and critique their baby hairs and give them pointers, or go up to people who got baby hairs and be like, girl, how'd you lay those? No, we all have to suffer in silence and watch and learn with tears in our eyes at night on TikTok or something like that. The girls love synthetic pieces because they are wear and go, truly. And this is a wear and go video. We about to test it out. Pre-styled. The lace has been pre-cut, pre-bleached, everything. You just put it on your head. 30 seconds. 30-second install. Set the clock. Wait, let me take this one off first. I wanted to say that the cap construction that I have, it came with this piano strap, and it's super stretchy, and that's for extra like security and make sure that it fits snugly on your head and all that kind of stuff. But honey, I took it off because I don't want it to be in the way. Okay, go. That's it, y'all. That's it. No gluing nothing down. No baby hairs. Ciao. Now UNice. Why would you do something so controversial? Yes, I agree. The only thing that I see that would add a couple of seconds to your installation, because it wasn't installation, it's installed. The only thing that I see that would add some more time is just making sure that this lace is tinted to your specific skin color. You can see this cast right here, but that is just the lace not like being completely melted down. If you wanted to add some spray, you could. But for the sake of this video, I'm not doing nothing. I'm leaving it as is. I am gonna put some water right here so you can see it lay down flat. I'll just put a little bit of water on it to lay it down. There is really nothing left to do. I'm gonna comb it because what else am I gonna talk about? The hair is lovely. I love UNice. I'm a big fan of this company. The hair always hits, the styles always hit. When they say it's coming pre-styled, pre-cut, pre-bleached, and you don't have to do nothing but put it on your head, honey, they mean it. Now for the girls who have trust issues, they need a little bit of lace melting spray, a little some little bit of adhesive up here. I understand you, I hear you, I see you. I'm always gonna feel a lot more comfortable knowing that my wig isn't gonna shift, or God forbid, because this has happened to me before when wearing a glueless wig, my hair gets caught in something and the whole wig just to the left, to the left. That being said, I love this idea. This is super beginner friendly. Like, how much more beginner friendly can you get? You just put it on. You're not accidentally cutting half of the lace off. You're not over bleaching because there's no bleach needed. I lived long enough to watch synthetic wigs turn into female. So let me stand up and show off how long this hair is on my 5 foot 4 inches and 3/4 frame. Okay, I'm standing up. Like I said, I'm 5 foot 4, 3¼ inches, because you gotta claim dimensions, all right? Every last millimeter. So here's how it falls on me. And for people who are wondering, okay, no glue, no adhesive, how does it feel on your head? Is it gonna come snatching off? No, it really isn't. It is on, look. It's on. It's on and it's glueless. The combs and that no slip perimeter is working. It's putting in overtime. Look at that. Huh? Okay, you got a 3-year-old, you better get something that's gonna be secure. I'm trying to tell you, because they will embarrass you. Ask me how I know. And for y'all who don't believe me, be like, no girl, I don't believe Michelle. She went back and put some lace adhesive on it. I know she did. She's in love with that lace putty. She uses it in every single video. Oh yeah? Huh? 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 What you got to say now? Look, I'll flip it upside down and put this part in there. Look at that. Even standing here, like I'm thinking, like as far as protective styling goes, this is not damaging at all to your edges. So if you're somebody who is kind of like me, who I don't buy glue. Like I buy gels and sprays and that kind of thing. Anything that can just wash off when I get in the shower so I can take the whole thing off and call it a day. But even if you don't want to do that, these products that we use to adhere lace down so that it's secure. They do have alcohols in them and they can be drying. So that's another awesome thing about that, and that you can have this and completely protect your scalp. Y'all better come and get you one of these. Quickest installation video I ever did in my life. Thank you, UNice. And I know I put so much focus on the cap and the gluelessness of it all, but the hair is always quality. It's always giving quality. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I love y'all. I'll talk to you later. All the information about this wig is gonna be in the description box below. Take care. Have a safe week.